Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe InDesign CC 2024. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use InDesign to create QR codes. For the example, we are going to be creating a QR code so when somebody scans it using the camera app on their mobile device, it is going to send them to your YouTube channel and ask them if they want to subscribe to your YouTube channel. If you do not have InDesign installed, open up the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, install it, and then just click Open. Click on New File from the home page. I'll come over here and change the unit of measurements from Picas to inches. This is a standard US paper size. I'll make sure that facing pages is unchecked. I'll keep it at 1 pages. I'll keep everything else the same, then click Create. I'm going to come over here to the frame tool. I'll click once. Now I can enter in the frame size that I want. I'm going to put 3 inches by 3 inches, then click OK. I'll click on the selection tool, keyboard shortcut V. I'm going to go to the properties panel. I'll go to align, and I'm just going to align this to the center. And before you get too far into designing your QR code, it's a good idea to save your InDesign file. So go to the top menu, click on File, Save, enter a name, let's call this QR, choose where you want to save it, then just click Save. Make sure you have the selection tool selected, drag a selection over your frame, right click, and choose Generate QR Code. Click the drop down and choose a type, or what do you want the QR code to do when somebody scans it. But for this example, we're just going to choose Web Hyperlink. Make sure you include the https:// I'll enter youtube.com/Mike Murphy CO. And to ask people if they want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm going to add this little snippet of code right after my channel ID. So I'll put a question mark, then I'm going to type out the word sub, SUB, underscore, confirmation, $1. Before clicking OK, I'm going to change the color of my QR code. By going to the very top, I'll click on color. I'm going to select this red since I'm sending people to YouTube. Click OK, and now I have a QR code. Cool. To further customize the QR code, make sure it's selected. Go to the Properties panel. If you want to add a background color, you can click on the swatch next to Fill and choose a background color, or choose none to keep it transparent. Add a stroke. I'll click on the swatch. I'm going to choose the same red, and I'll increase the point size. Let's try 3. I'll click on T for the type tool. I'm going to drag out a text frame. I'll select the text, go to the Properties panel. I can change the character or the font. I can change the size. I can center it by going to the Paragraph panel. In the center in the text box, it's a little tricky, but just select the text box, right click on it, go to Text Frame Options, and you're looking for Vertical Justification, and I'm going to align it to the center. Click OK. And to change the color, I can just select the text and change the fill color. To edit a QR code, just select it, right click, and choose Edit QR Code. And when you're ready to share your QR code with the world, make sure you first save your InDesign document. So just go to File, Save, and to export it, go back to the File menu and choose Export. Give it a name, choose where you want to save it, choose the format or the type of file. I'm just going to choose PNG. I'll click Save. Since I only have 1 page, I can keep it on all. I can choose the image quality, the resolution. I'm going to make sure that transparent background is checked, as I want to export this as a transparent PNG so I can place it on a website or anywhere I want online. And I'll click Export. There's the PNG file saved on my desktop. And if you take out your mobile device, open up the camera app and point it at this QR code, it should take you to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe if you're not already. But that is how to create QR codes in Adobe InDesign CC 2024. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.